Why are you doing this? What in God's name did I do wrong? The only thing I did was to love you. Why are you tormenting my life? Why do you want to destroy me? Why?
Let me tell you something. We have worked together from birth to death. You can't break our relationship along the line.
Oh.
Do you know something? The day you were having your wedding, I decided not to spoil it. Because I know if you go, you will come back to me.
Really?
This minor thing cannot break our relationship. Let me tell you, we are bound from birth to death. And nothing, I mean nothing, can change it. Do you know that?
In your dreams, right? Our relationship is already broken. I'm done with you.
Let me tell you something.
Why is it so hard for you to understand?
I know what's wrong. But let us have it.
Please, go back.
You're pushing me.
I'm ready to transfer some amount into your account.
For what?
Stop tormenting my life.
For what?
Don't follow me. You've already caused more harm than good.
Let me tell you something. Lady, I have your pictures, which is naked pictures. Your nude and your stars. I have a video of 2 of us in bed. I have decided to upload this video to the media. And let me tell you one thing. I was able to put myself out. So you are going to receive the disgrace only. Let me tell you one thing. You can have fun without your husband. I don't care. But I don't think no man on this earth will still live with a lady who have heard news on the media. So, let me tell you one thing. Leaving me is at your own risk.
Really?
Yes.
So this is how far you can go, right?
Let me tell you one thing. I have already sent some of the video to your husband. It hasn't yet been delivered. So, whether you accept me for me to resign that or I'll continue to do that.
You are very wicked.
Wicked?
Very wicked. Seriously.
That's how far love can bring us. Let me tell you one thing. Love without a wicked or wickedness is nothing. Let's put all these things aside. You're here. I'm here. Let us have some fun.
Please. Shameless man. Baby, why? What's happening? What's wrong with you? What's happening to you?
What?
What's happening? What's wrong with you? You're drunk.
Really?
Sure.
You have broken my home. You have broken my heart. How would you expect me to be okay?
We have
I
to
love you.
You need to say
Look
that.
how you repel me back. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Why would you touch me?
You just sit down so that we talk about it.
Do you hear me? Get over there.
What the hell are you doing here?
For your notice, I came to give you a second chance before I go on with my next action. Because I'm going to release that video to the media. So whether you like it or not, you need to choose between two of us. I and that is Sudaman. But let me tell you, you cannot run away from me. Whether you like it or not, we are born from birth to eternity. So, this is just a notice for you that change your mind because I'm still yours and you are still mine. Thank you.
Come back, come. I can perceive you are mad. Seriously, you want me to choose between my husband and you?
Have you forgotten that you're speaking to Jim?
Jim? Who is Jim?
Or has that bad man blindfolded you? What I told you he has?
I love him.
Love?
Get that into your head.
You love your husband. I love you. This means that I'm gonna get you and you are going to stay away from that man.
You can't
do you get that?
do anything. You can't scare me.
Do you know something? I did not come for negotiation. I just came to notice it. Or just give you a remembrance about what I'm about to do. So, just give me a call if you get a change of mind.
You can do your
Thank you.
Shameless man.
Baby. Why are you doing this? You've changed. You don't touch me. You don't care for me. In fact, this attitude of yours is killing me. At least you need to make me feel like a woman. You just don't even want to look at my face. Talk less of making love to me. Why? Do you want to kill me?
And why would I do that?
Because I'm your wife.
So why would I kill you?
This attitude of yours, I'm dying slowly. You've changed. You were not like this.
It's the soldier's code. When soldiers are on mission, we don't compromise. You better let me be. I'm not in the mood.
Every day you are not in the mood. When are you going to get into the mood? I need you right now. At least I'm your wife.
Indeed, of course you are my wife. But rule number one for soldiers, we don't attack when our enemies are making mistakes.
I don't understand.
Of course, how would you understand? I said, you better let me be. I'm not in the mood, alright? Better let me be. Okay? I'm alive, mommy. When I'm alive, mommy, I'll be so awkward in your home.
that your breakfast is served.
What?
Breakfast is ready.
And who told you I would love to eat your breakfast? Eat them all alone by yourself.